Hello everyone, I'm going to display to you what will happen if you find Rabta in the public app store of Zip. So you click activate application and then you'll activate the application based on these scopes. You will then be redirected to the Rabta dashboard. Then you'll have to accept the Rabta conditions and webhooks configuration and everything. Let's click accept. It may take a little while, but it will work. And there you go. You have successfully connected to Z. Now we're in Rabta, and as you can see, there is Z connected to the marketplaces. In the products, you could manage your categories and products and product catalog and product availability notification. In the orders section, you'll be able to manage your orders, customers, delivery options, payment methods, and etc. And any actions related to orders like order creation and order reverse and such. In the inventory here, you'll be able to manage your inventory stock, product inventory, and stock modifications. Anything related to stock, you could manage in the inventory section. In the pricing here, you can manage your VAT in the pricing rules and payments, coupons, bundle offers, anything related to pricing, like for example, loyalty points, anything related to pricing, you can manage here in this section. In the report section, you could generate reports based on cost and like financial reports, abandoned costs, everything related to reports generation, you could manage here. And in the settings, you'll be able to manage notifications, general settings like countries, cities and countries modification, um, like the account and webhooks. And here in the integration, you can manage the webhooks, API and webhooks, and such. And thank you very much.